Alright guys, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to get the formula for the area of a circle by using basic math only. Of course, you could set up an integral and find the formula, but what I'm going to use is only very simple math. So let's see how to do it. Let's start first with a square inscribed in the circle. We can draw the square like this. So as you can see, the square is made up of 4 isosceles triangles. So let's call this here the base of a triangle, and the triangle will also have a height h here, so that we can say that the area of the square is equal to 4 times b times h divided by 2. So this is simply the area of a triangle. Alright, but let's see now what happens as we increase the number of sides of our polygon. So from a square we can, for example, go to draw an octagon here. Octagon has 8 sides, so I'm only using a quadrant here to. So now we would have our triangle. We'll have a base here and h here. So what will be the area of the octagon? So the area of the octagon will be now 8 times b, we can call this BO, 8 BO times h O over 2. So the square has 4 sides and we have 4 here. The octagon has 8 sides and we have 8 here. So another thing we can do is, what is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square will be 4 times b, whereas the perimeter of the octagon will be 8 times b o. Alright, so now imagine that you are increasing the number of sides of the polygon so that our polygon will become closer and closer to the circle. So the perimeter will be, for a polygon of n sides, Pn n Bn, and the area will be n times Bn times Hn over 2. Alright? But let's see what happens to the perimeter. As we increase the number of sides, the perimeter, let's say when n approaches infinity, the polygon will become almost indistinguishable with the circle. So that means that the perimeter Pn, when n approaches infinity, Pn will become 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Alright? And then let's see what else we can say. So the area will be then a n, n be n, which is the perimeter, we can 2 pi r. So what happens to h n divided by 2? The height of this triangle will become closer and closer to the value of the radius. So that means that for n which goes to infinity, hn will approach the value of r. So that means that in this formula now, instead of writing hn over 2, we can write r over 2. Then these two will cancel out, and we are left with pi r squared. So this is the formula for the area of the circle. We have obtained it from basic math only. As you can see, there's no need to use calculus. This is one method you can use to get the formula for the area of the circle. Alright, so if you have any question, you can just leave a comment below.